Right, so shall we discuss what we have to do for this project then?
Yes, it says we have to investigate some aspect of the university facilities.
Yeah, we have to design a questionnaire, don't we?
Yes, and we have to write an essay and do a presentation.
Is it an essay? I thought it was a report.
Let me check. Yes, you're right, Kitty. It's a report.
How long does it have to be? 1,000 words, isn't it?
Let me see. The report has to be between 1,000 and 1,500 words, and we have to do that on our own, but we do the presentation and the investigation as a group. So, have you got any ideas about what we can investigate?
I know one of the other groups is looking at the university library and whether it's adequate for student needs.
Yes, and one group's doing the sports center.
Does it matter if we do the same thing as another group?
I don't think so, but I was wondering about investigating transport.
Transport?
Yes, we could look at whether people think the bus service is regular enough, and we could also look at car parking facilities.
We could look at the cycling facilities, too. There's never enough space for all the bikes in the bike sheds. I'm sure the university could afford to build more, what with all the fees we pay.
Okay, I'm happy with that idea. So how should we go about the investigation then?
Well, we could make some questionnaires. I can ask the people who travel on buses, and Paul, you can ask cyclists, and Kitty, you do a questionnaire for car drivers.
Shouldn't we write the questions together rather than individually?
Yes, that's what I meant. We can write the questionnaires together, but each of us can be responsible for carrying out the questionnaires individually. Does that sound okay?
Sure.
We should get some quantitative data, too. You could count how many people get on and off the buses at different times, and I can count how many bikes there are in bike sheds, that sort of thing.
And we should take some photos while we're doing the questionnaires. They'll be useful for the presentation.
It sounds good. Okay, well, let's think about these questions then.